Won't I look crippled like my hand is missing?
No.
Caleb, if my hand is under the lens.
No, I'll show you.
Okay.
Maybe if I had a wider lens, but I'll show you what I'm thinking of. So actually, like, just grab the lens itself.
Yeah?
Yeah, like that. Okay, let's hold it up. Bring it down. Just there. Okay, let's see that. Let's see.
Oh, this is actually cool.
But did you see what he was making me do?
What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, my name is Caleb. I am a freelance photographer based in Johannesburg, South Africa. Today, we are talking about... What are we talking about? Today, I'm going to show you a behind the scenes for a shoot that I did recently with a few friends of mine, Itu and Tato. So Tato was on makeup and Itu was the subject. Basically, it was an athleisure... I always mix this word up. Athleisure. Wait, just give me a second. I have it somewhere.
Athleisure.
Athleisure shoot.
Athleisure. Athleisure.
All right, so it was an athleisure shoot, right? And we just wanted to capture the whole athleisure look. And yeah, I thought the images came out great. I'm going to roll the behind the scenes shortly, but I just wanted to show you guys, before I do that, a diagram just to sort of illustrate the point I want to make. And that is really just using the sun to backlight your subject and then lighting the front part of your subject with a strobe. And I think it's a very underrated shooting method, shooting style, lighting setup, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a very, very underrated setup, and I'd really encourage you to try it on your next shoot. So basically what it entails is that you have the sun right behind your subject, and then you just light up the front with your strobe. Really, really simple, but I think it produces incredible, incredible images. So this is the setup. And as you can see, simple one light setup, subject with her back to the sun and lit from the front with the strobe. And that's pretty much it. And then you can just really just play around with your angles and everything else. And yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna roll up the BTS and I'm gonna put some images in there and you can just let me know what you think. If there's anything I could do better in terms of my lighting, in terms of my YouTube videos, if there's anything you wanna see behind the scenes, please just feel free. I must mention, I forgot my microphone on this behind the scenes, so there isn't any audio. I'll try and keep it short, but yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, have a great one, and please let me know what you think. Cheers. Hi guys, so for this one I actually forgot to mention that we had a second outfit as well, and so for the next set of images it's just going to be that second outfit, pretty much the same lighting setup, same location, but with this time the sun was setting, so the images do look a little bit different. Although it was giving us some good golden light, I thought that it was actually quite cool, but the images do look a little bit different from the first set of images. So that's pretty much what the second outfit was. I'm going to put some images up with the BTS, and yeah, alright, so just let me know what you think.